If you want to make a video game and don't know where to start, watch this video. Every video game runs on what is called the game engine. A game engine refers to the development software typically offering tools and features for developing games. In other words, the engine is what tells the component in the computer stuff like how to render graphics or play audio. Today, there's a lot of game engine to choose from, but in this video, I will only focus on the Unity game engine. If you have interest in game development, then learning Unity should be a top priority. Unity allows you to build games in both 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional that can be exported to a variety of platforms. It deploys to both web, desktop, mobile, and also console. Unity is a very rich game development tool that you can download for free, suitable for beginners. With Unity being free of charge, it makes for a very valuable tool for students and aspiring developers. As a game engine, Unity is able to provide many of most important built-in features that make a game work. For example, things like physics, 3D rendering, and collision detection. Unity also has its own asset store. This is essentially a place where the developer can upload and share their creation with the community. If you want to insert a ball in your game, for example, but you don't have time to build one from the scratch, check the asset store and you'll find one. Also, when programming in Unity, you can choose between C# and JavaScript. C# is one of the more beginner-friendly programming language. It is widely used in industry and also shares a lot in common with other popular languages such as C and Java. In other words, learning Unity with C# is a great introduction to coding. This software is very simple to download and install. In the next video, I will show you how to do that. So click the subscribe and notification icon to get notified once the video is out. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!